Okay guys, today is the big day of the awards show and I am so excited. I got up bright and early and I did my facial hair removal and then I plucked my eyebrows. Like I did the most. I've packed all my stuff last night and we're gonna be headed to the Fairmont shortly. I am so grateful that NARS is bringing me along for this journey. I'm so excited and I'm such a huge fan of NARS for so many years. It's literally like definitely one of my favorite brands. So to be going with them and to be able to use a full face of NARS tonight to get ready is very exciting. It is a completely gloomy day today, but we're not gonna let it get us down because we have a lot to do. I am getting myself all together. I have to make sure I have every single thing packed because if I forget something, then I'm not gonna have it. So I made a detailed list and like I'm that person who like checked each thing off individually off the list and packed everything last night. So I'm thinking that I have everything, fingers crossed. And we're about to have breakfast. So let me show you what I'm having. It's very unpredictable. Of course, we have my favorite oatmeal and green tea, and I made my mom a coffee. And I just have all yummy goodness in there because I need to be fueled for the day. And honestly, without my breakfast, I get really hangry. Like I'm one of those people that needs to have breakfast bright and early in the morning, and it's just a must. I am one of those people that can't leave the house if my room is in a disarray. So everything is all clean and tidy, my bedroom and my studio, which is a big deal. And honestly, guys, Tubby and Lily are living their best lives as usual. I'm hoping that I get a chance to use this while I am in the hotel room, but it's all based on timing. So I don't know, but I want my skin to be like supple and on point, obviously. Everything is all packed. I have all my makeup, my toiletries, my brushes. And then on this side, we have like a light that I'm bringing. I'm even packing my mirror because I just can't, who knows what the mirror is gonna be like. I also have this really cute bag that I'm bringing. It's gonna have a bunch of stuff in here as well, like my shoes. I'm bringing along my speaker because I wanna jam out as I'm getting ready. And guys, I'm right here in my robe, you know, just living the life. Last night I did a serious treatment on my hair. I did a hair mask from Heritage. I did like a scalp scrub from Heritage. Used this new product from Wow. Chris Appleton, who's Kim's hairdresser, is the one who made that brand. And like, anyway, it made my hair really smooth and shiny. So yeah, hair on point. I am all ready to go. I have this cute all white fit because, you know, I like to keep it fresh. And yeah, I'm just gonna be really chill. And of course, we can't forget the dress. I have it hanging here. It's actually a jumpsuit, it's not a dress, but yes. Just got into my room, so I'm just gonna show you guys a quick little preview of what it's looking like. First of all, we have the nice big bed. I have my really great setup of all my NARS goodies that I'm gonna be using to get ready. Hello. And yes, I'm extra. I brought my mirror because I didn't know what the mirror situation was gonna be like in the room, and the last thing I wanted to do was be like in a pickle. Look at that beautiful view. We could see Lake Ontario right ahead, like right there. And Union Station, OG. So I can definitely people watch if I wanted to, but we don't have any time for that because we gotta get ready very soon. But first, food. Of course, I have to fuel myself because it's about to be a very long night and I'm not sure what we're gonna be eating at the awards show. My parents joined me because it happens to be their birthday week. Okay guys, I am full glam. As you can see, we did a vampy red lip. If anyone's wondering what the red is, I used the Power Matte formula in the shade Notorious. I think this is gonna last all night. I think the shade is so stunning. And for the lip liner to make it kind of vampy, I used the shade Spunk by NARS. Of course, we did a NARS lip combo, and for my blush, like I wanted to just show it off because I took it all the way up on the temples because I wanted to create kind of a high fashion look. So I used Exhibit A, which looks a little bit scary in the pan, but it's actually not, because when you're using a red lip, it kind of can wash out the face, and you'll see it. After I put on the red, I was like, oh, I look kind of ghostly, even as a brown person. So I popped on some blush. So with a smaller brush, I used this shade because I wanted to kind of concentrate where I was applying it. And then with a fluffier brush, I used the shade Dominate, and the combination of these two just really, really looked stunning on the skin. I am obsessed. Just wanted to show you what I used on the eyes. I used the Taj Mahal palette by NARS, and I just popped this on the lid with my fingers and then took this on the outer edge. I used a bronzer as the transition shade, and like that was it. Like, how crazy is that? It was just like, bam, especially because I'm wearing a red lip. I didn't want the eyes to be like too crazy because then it can give a clown vibe. But this is the best way to make it wearable. I am obsessed with the look. I'm not gonna lie, I was getting nervous about the blush because I'm like, I wanna be high fashion and this is all about arts and fashion, so I wanna do that. And as we can see, we made it happen. So I'm gonna come back with my full outfit on so that you guys can see it. I'm so excited, a little bit nervous. I think I need to practice some poses because I'm not an expert on this. Sometimes I see girls slaying, like just like serving each pose, like knowing their angles. And I'm trying to get used to it as I start, I don't know, taking more and more photo shoots. I'm getting better, I think, or not I think, I am genuinely getting better. I can see it, but I still need some practice. So definitely I'm gonna do that with you guys here because why not? And yeah, so I will be back. Hi, it's me again, back and not dressed. I just wanted to talk about my hair very briefly. As I mentioned from before, I wanted to keep it straight, so of course I straightened it. Here's how it's looking. I think it looks really sleek and beautiful. A part of me is feeling like it's giving Megan Fox vibes just because is it throwback Megan? Like, what am I even imagining? Like sleek, straight hair with a nice red lip? I don't even know. It's actually giving Wing It vibes, okay? It's not giving anyone else, it's just giving Wing It. But I am so excited. The outfit's all black. I keep teasing the outfit. Like, let me just put it on and show you. So here is the full look. We got the silver Fendi purse, and I'm also gonna be wearing my Valentinos that are all... 1 second. My Valentinos that are also silver. So I felt like these accessories are cute. And then there's also a silver pop on the button. I need someone to help me zip up my jumpsuit, which I did not think of. Whoopsie. I'm gonna just ask someone, no, I will ask a friend to zip up my jumpsuit, but I love the look. Okay, wait, let me put these on properly. Practice poses, okay. Slade. Slade. Slade? Wait, no, we need to create space. Is this a thing? Yeah. Shoulders back. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. Me being like, yeah, this is a thing. We're just going out with pure confidence. By the way, I think I'm leaving my hair back because I want this part of the dress to show. I'm just gonna come in and show you what it looks like. Like, it's actually so gorgeous. Okay, yeah, now you can properly see what's going on. I put some glitter on my body, and the makeup it just turned out really nicely. I am loving the vibe. I am honestly nervous for the red carpet. A little bit nervous, but you know what? It is what it is. I'm gonna slay. Let's just manifest that. I'm gonna slay. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be posing with the purse, I just realized, because I'll be holding it. Okay, let's see. No. The hair has to be perfectly placed. No, okay, I like the hip lean. The cool thing about these is the actual extended part of the leg, like the pant part. So anyway, wish me luck, guys. I'm just dying here. I can't even talk, so I will see you guys later. I just came down to the lobby and I spotted the most stunning woman ever. Look at her dress. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I am so excited to see everyone's outfits. We just arrived at the red carpet. Say hello to the girlies. NARS had an amazing touch-up booth with all of the makeup you could dream of and a gorgeous backdrop. Here I am posing because, you know, when there's a mirror, you gotta pose. And quite frankly, I was feeling myself. Here are some behind the scenes from the red carpet, and I spied the Beckerman twins. I love them. They are so adorable. I was stunned at how ornate this room really was, the ceilings and all of the detailed chandeliers. I just can't even believe that I am included in such an amazing event. Here is my red carpet moment, and it was my time to shine. These are the pictures. I learned how to cut myself out. It's the weirdest thing, but I like it. As we were getting situated, I quickly realized that our table was right at the front row. It was the best seats in the house, right beside the stage. And this moment was just completely unreal as well. To be in a room filled with so many creative and inspirational people with one of my favorite makeup brands was just such an honor. Clearly, we cannot contain our excitement based on our expressions, and we're just waiting for the show to start. I took a few snippets of the actual awards, but I didn't want to miss out. I wanted to be in the moment, so I just filmed a little bit. Here's the Beckerman twins again. Love them. Our second course came in. It was steak, but I forgot to film the first course. Then all of a sudden I looked up and the president of Shiseido, Lucian was up on stage, but she was sitting at our table. So she just literally disappeared and bam, she was on stage. She did such an amazing job presenting. She is an icon. And now it's time to party. Here we are at the after party grabbing drinks. And honestly, this guy was lit. He was the best bartender ever. He also said he was an actor. So he was up for the task. Crowd was poppin'. My feet are killing, but we have done an outfit change for the night. I literally was not even capable of even talking or doing anything because my feet were hurting so badly. But wait, what am I doing? There's no full-length mirror. I want to show off the dress. Wait, let me switch. Okay. Here's the dress. This is hilarious. This is the dress. Yeah, so we switched up. Okay, I am slaying the second look. So I switched to a shorter dress and we're back at it again. Chapeau. I was teaching Korean streets right now. We're just having a moment. The girlies are in the background, you know, they're slaying. They're slaying as always. But yeah, it's a little bit chilly, I'm not gonna lie. But we're here for it. Well, hola. It is the next morning after the big event, and let me tell you about last night. It was wild. I feel like I was just living life as a 20-year-old when that is not the era that I'm in. Like freshly turned 20, that's what I mean by that. But yeah, I mean, another day, another slay. Wait, do I have lipstick on my teeth? No. Oh, rare moment. I just made tea in the hotel room. These pillows are so comfy. I like wish that I could just actually sleep. So let me tell you what happened last night. So the awards, it was just spectacular and it exceeded my expectations. It was such an amazing event. The NARS team is just so inspiring. And there was such a large NARS presence at the whole event because obviously they're a big sponsor of the whole event. But by the end of the night at the after party, my feet were done. Like they were just killing. So I was really lucky to be staying here at the hotel because I got to change. As you guys saw, I took a video. After that, we went to the Soho House. And it was pretty lit there, and there were so many creatives there. I mean, it's a Soho House. And then after that, we just went around. We went clubbing, I'm not gonna lie. We went clubbing as, like I said, 20-year-olds. And yeah, it was a 5 a.m. night, not gonna lie again. Anyway, overall, the event was just, I don't know, it was just amazing. Like I had such a great time. I'm so grateful. And I actually am thinking now, like, how is this all happening? Even reminiscing on the past year, everything feels like a whirlwind and I'm just so grateful. And I think it's important to, you know, take a second to stop and be mindful. I'm just telling this to you guys because I need to tell myself it. Like, when you're so busy living life, sometimes you forget to stop and actually take it in and realize I'm accomplishing so many goals this year. And anyway, it's all because of you guys. Literally, it's all because of you guys, even though no one watches my YouTube channel. But if you're seeing this, then it's because of you. And I'm really, really grateful. Like this morning, somehow I put on some light makeup. Even though I barely slept last night, you know what we gotta do, just in case no one can catch us slipping. Imagine I ran into like my future husband in the lobby or something, like, hello? I don't know about all that. Overall, the experience was just insane and I'm very happy. And I'm gonna be heading home very shortly and checking out. So I hope you guys have an amazing day and thank you again for watching. I'm gonna link my most recent video right here for you guys to check out. And don't forget to like and subscribe because I post every single Sunday without fail. So I will see you next Sunday.